Hi, Hari. Do you need cultural change to improve data quality in an organization?
Yes, Vish. Data quality improvements can only be brought in if there is a cultural change within the organization where the stakeholders actually appreciate the need for good quality data, and they actually put a lot of procedures, methodologies, and technologies and investment that eventually leads to improvement of good quality data in your applications. Yes, I fully agree.
How do you go about changing the culture and raise the importance of data quality in an organization like yours?
You will always struggle to start to find a starting point. That's always the challenge. One, you need to have patience. Two, you need to champion the cause. Improving data quality actually means, it gets a bit philosophical, but what really matters is, you need to identify the key stakeholders within the organization who can actually influence massive business change and be their trusted advisor. Try to reach out to them, find out what's going on in your own organization, and start working with their teams at a sufficient lower detail where you're actually building their business cases, where you start to implant the necessary data quality methodologies that you would like to implement or capabilities that you would like to implement. Eventually that results in good quality data. So upfront engagement matters.
And getting people to understand that data is critical to the projects.
Yes.
It is going to be critical to, it is hidden in any of the projects that we look at. Data is the last item we look at. How
Correct.
do you bring up the profile of data and ensure that there is investment in data?
Yeah.
How are you doing that at Vodafone?
First of all, one of the first architecture principles is data is an asset. Like all organizations do. If you read any architecture materials, that's what they prescribe. But in terms of monetary value, it is not a real asset in financial terms.
Yeah.
What really matters to you is how would you get stakeholders to actually appreciate the need for good quality data is by showing the real value that starts to impact their own operational processes and their own daily jobs, and that's where you have to look at the real records and find out anomalies and bring out into the open and change them. And that's where you need to bring in a lot of experience. Most of the organizations actually think about a data model. Data model will not solve your problems. It will actually create a decent structure for your data, but you'll still put bad quality data in that good structure. So you're not really solving the problem. What really matters is working with those key stakeholders who are really impacted. Work with them, be part of their journey, and take away the data management pain out of them so that they can do their jobs better. And you need such trusted customers who actually see the value, and they are the ones who will create more and more need, and they are the ones who actually evangelize it even further. So yes, delivering value really matters.